Hello and welcome to Excalibur. In this video, we'll see how we can create different lists, name them, and then use them very efficiently in Excel. So let's start. So let me just create a numeric list. Okay, let's say 14 places, and then let's write some alphabets here. All right. So now what I do is I select all of them together, and here when we see the column C3. Now here I give it a name, let's say numeric list, and press the enter key. Okay, so all this is my numeric list, and then I select these all, and then here I type alphabetic list and press the enter key. Okay, so now let's see how these can be used. So for example, I have to type 1 to 10 numbers here. I can directly do an equals to, and then I can type in so you see this numeric list comes up, and as I click this and press enter, the numbers 1 to 10 will be put in automatically. Similarly, if I double click and write alphabet list, then I select this and enter, then it automatically comes with this range. So this thing can be done on the same sheet or any other sheet in Excel. So once you define a list, it can be used on multiple worksheets within the same Excel sheet. So numeric list, sorry, you see that this comes. So maybe you can define a legend on some sheet, and then you can use this again and again on the other sheets. Also, one good thing is that it can be used to create drop-down menus. So to do that, you have to go to the data tab and then the data validation. This is the data validation button, and here where it asks what values needs to be allowed, then you select a list from here, and it asks for the source. So in source, either you can select all of them or from the sheet 1 and then put it, or otherwise what you can do is you can just type numeric list and click on the enter button, and here you will see that this 1 to 10 appear in the drop down, and you can make the relevant selection. So I think that would be useful for the work. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and see future videos on my channel. Thank you very much.